Hey guys, this is the headset RIWBOX, and they are in the color pink and purple. They are foldable design, microphone, Bluetooth connected, LED flashing, and I don't know what's this, falsing. LED falsing. That's supposed to be flashing. That is an error on their part. Just noticed that. Volume control with mic. LED. And right there's the flashing. Now they got it spelled right there, but not here. Let's focus on that and show you what I'm talking about. Error on their part. Come on. Come on. Let me see if I can get it to focus. There. LED flossing. That's not correct. LED flashing. There we go. Here they are. Pink and purple. It's kind of a blurry picture. I don't know why. There we go. Now we got it focused. Pink and purple. Beautiful. I'll get these out. You just pop them into place, and the same thing. They got this is where they flash on the sides. The cushion ears, really soft and comfortable. The name, the controls. Flip it around on the other side, and then you'll have the on and off button. Also the charger and the adapter. Here is the on and off button. You'll see how they flash. And that's what they do when the music is playing. I cut it off. And inside the box is your little charger and a cord in case you need it, and instructions and warranty. Sound quality is great. They're soft and comfortable and really pretty. Some reason, I don't know, I just think these are like Barbie. They're pink and purple and they remind me of Barbie for some reason. But they're really nice. And any little girl, teenager, or young lady would enjoy having these, because they're wireless, or you can use them with a wire, whichever you want to do.